and you'd be like, ooh. I'd be like, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so let's get into this.
You know. Damn, it's banging. You know. It's banging. Oh, banging.
What up? Wing mukbang with a piece of cornbread and some Indo mi goreng noodles. I love these noodles. I haven't had them in a while. And then I got a little bit of ranch. We got some honey over here. Not the organic one, you know, but it'll do. That'll do. Got a little Braswell's barbecue sauce just in case we need it, but I doubt I'll touch that. But I'm definitely going to be touching the ooh. You know. All right, so we're going to get straight into this. So I just bought some raw chicken wings, marinated them for 2 days with blended up onion and garlic, salt and black pepper. That's it. Put it in the fridge. And then seasoned it with some lemon pepper and some Old Bay. Deep fried it. Cornbread, like I said, noodles, ranch. And I'm going to mix up the honey with it. I want to try a little honey during this episode right now. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, everybody. I'm Snoopy's Fall Awake. Grab a seat. Let's start to eat. ASMR though. Today, for our ASMR drink, we're going to be doing the peace tea. This one is, this is probably my favorite flavor right now. The strawberry lemonade. Some strawberry right there, you know. All right, so because you showed up, we got to pull it up. Cheers, huh? All right, let's try one of these wings by itself right here. Nice and tender. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot to squeeze some lemon on this. Now these wings are good. Try a piece of cornbread. These wings are good, but we gotta mix it up and hit it with some sauce. So let's take this wing right here and give it a little ooh with some honey. All right, a little bit of honey on the fried chicken wing. Banging from the first bite. Dig into these noodles real quick. These are the spicy ones. try the ranch. This is a ranch by Hellman's. All right, and you know, I've eaten this hundreds of times already, but we are going to oob it up because this sauce is delicious and it's highly addictive. Let's go. Ooh, let's go right up in there. Bam, bam, bam. A little bit on here. All right. So, I haven't had it on wings in a minute. So let's try it out. That's a perfect heat on that. Getting hungry yet? I hope I'm helping somebody out there with get an appetite. People that suffer from lack of appetite or whatever the issue is medically. So if I'm helping you, it makes me happy. So come eat with your boy. Oh my God, this ice cold strawberry lemonade is banging. Whoo, so refreshing right there. All right. Tiny little bit more here, but more focused on the wings right here. Oh yeah, that's it. You know, I had this on my steak in my last video, and it did not hurt my stomach. This one right here, it's hot. It's got that heat, but it's not like these two. Sorry, let me show you real quick. So you have these three. I think there's a yellow one too, and there might be even a green one. Who knows? But this red one right here, the hottest. This black one, this is the hottest that I could take like larger amounts of. But this right here, it's the cheesy, sweeter taste, and it's just for some reason I'm not having no issues with it. I'm thankful for that because I love my heat to a certain level, and to where you can get that sting, but it's bearable. So you can enjoy it, enjoy the heat, because I just like spicy food. So, but I want to enjoy it without too much pain. You know what I mean? So, plus I suffer with nasty heartburn, which I have medication for. So I'm good, but still, you know, just being cautious with it. That wicked copyright free instrumental that you hear in the background is by Lakey Beats, Lakey. And it just paused on me. For what reason? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if that's an internet connection issue or if, you know, this 5G that the government put there to keep us all on the grill through the vaccinations is really catching up with everybody. Yeah, it just told me to exit YouTube. I don't know why. Oh, black screen. Oh. The show will go on. That was a really good bite. So I'm not gonna get into it because I'm really close with this family, but it looks like there's some stuff going on with, I don't think it's indirectly with B Love Life. Shout out to Big Sis, man. And Sister Adrian and Brother Walt. Something's going on though. Because I'm seeing it every day. So I don't know if it's sibling rivalry going on or if somebody's hating. I have no idea. But I'm going to catch up on some videos and see what's up. But I stay clean up out of people's drama like that. But some drama is entertaining, I must say. But when it involves friends, I got friends on both sides that are tripping. Don't get Big Snoop involved. I don't get in the middle. But if you come for me for advice or a mediator, and it's reasonable, and it's for peace, I'm down. But I ain't getting up in the Kool-Aid. Just sit back. Sip my cold drink and observe. You feel me? Damn. What I love about this is that it's not really sweet. And put it Top it up, put it right over some ice. Just like that. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good weekend. And it looks like we're coming close to pretty much most stuff is just opening up. But what I hope that these people don't do, because I see right through their agenda, I'm hoping that they don't make it mandatory to get their crazy little needles injected into you just so you can travel outside of the country. You feel me? Because I got collabs to do. I got family and people to go see. But if they want to be some little beesies about it, then y'all come out here. Now I'll just go all around Canada. But I'm definitely gonna be traveling Toronto because I'm not far for it. Some food spots out there, little vloggy vlogs, and enjoy and do some Korean barbecue, some more Mexican food, some Caribbean food. I got a request to do. He's a Jamaican brother, man. Shout out to you. Left a comment saying that he would love to see me do like a, I think he said curry goat and stewed chicken, I think. But a nice Jamaican mukbang I'm due for, man. Some oxtails, some jerk chicken, and the coleslaw, all that good stuff. Quick news update. So apparently, Mr. Tom Hanks, who, you know, I research a lot and I'm up on game on a lot of stuff. And when stuff comes across my desk, I like to, you know, research it first, you know, see what's facts, what's not facts. Even if it's not, I just like to research everything first, get the information on it, and then put it out there. So, Tom Hanks, whose name is pretty dirty right now. Well, it's been. I just recently found out about it not too long ago. From what is being said, that he's a pedophile. With that being said, excuse me, he just got recently citizenship in Greece. We all know how they get down in Greece, right? So, no disrespect to anybody that's, you know, decent, that comes from that culture, whatever. We ain't talking about you. But we're going to keep it all the way real. We know what happens and what's gone down in the past over there. And so, apparently over there, that pedophilia is considered mental illness, if I'm not mistaken. But go look it up. Go look up the information on Tom Hanks and his Greece citizenship with him and his family over there or whatever. But any type of stuff like that, man, you should go straight to the slammer. I don't care who you are. You're not exempt from that. When it comes to the youth, the children, underage children, that's a no-no. You know what I'm saying? And they'll thump his ass up real good up in that penitentiary. I'm telling you right now. There's ways they'd get to him. But anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. I'm trying to think of any other news right now off the top of my head. I think that's it, folks. Be on the lookout. because I'm really excited about going to check out this place called, I think it's called the Captain's Boil, which is a seafood joint, probably like 8 to 10 minutes around the corner from my job, which of course is seafood, and it's supposed to be the bomb. You pick whatever seafood you want, they hit it with the sauce, put it in a bag, bring it home, and bang, bang, bang all night long, baby. Yeah, that's right, you know. So I'm excited to do that. Plus, I have a little bit of B-Love's powder to make her sauce. But I'm also going to reintroduce my Snoopy Eats Bangin' Butter Sauce. All right, which I think I'm going to do a wet version of it in the bottle and see how that goes. Because I would prefer to really do it in a dry powder form. But you know what? It is what it is. However I get around to doing it, hopefully when I push it out, you guys get it and enjoy it. And then we'll move from there. Other than that, that's what's coming up. Other than that, too, as well, my foot is doing a lot better. And, you know, work is work. But I'm just happy to be back full-time mukbanging for you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up because it helps out a lot and it's free. If you love me, share me out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. New families welcome all the time. We're trying to get to 20K. All right, I'm gonna do a proper giveaway. I didn't get a chance to do the giveaway that I wanted to do last year because of me breaking my foot and just a whole bunch of ups and downs, this stupid booty hole virus and all that stuff. So, but with all that being said, let's push all the negativity away. Inhale, positivity. Exhale the negativity. Stay blessed. I love you guys. It's your boy Snoopy signing out. You know.